Hopefully they can't see the tear stains.
Is that from you?
I had 2 kids, separate tears.
Okay, I wondered that when you walked in.
Tear stains.
That are suckers, that would be me.
Okay, so it's recording and the mic is on?
Yes.
Okay. That's a lot of pressure to put on you, I'm sorry.
Especially when Jared's busy.
Okay. When Ellie and I came out with our clothing line, we designed an acrylic case for storage. The #1 comment that we were spammed with was, you can buy that same case at Target for $30.
And it's just as big.
And it can hold just as much. Don't waste your money. Not quoting, people. So we bought the acrylic case for $30 from Target.
You're so fun.
Let me just grab this case right here. Let me grab this other one.
This is our Bollie case.
And this is the $30 Target acrylic case. You can see the Target case is much more narrow and the Bollie case is much more wide. The Target case is a little shorter, and then it does have an attachment that you can stick on top, which makes it about the same height.
This Bollie case isn't even all the way full, but we're gonna take everything out and see if we can get it to fit into the Target case. So you can see just how much stuff was in the case.
In our case. Our case does not have any designated slots, so I'm gonna start with the designated slots that they have for lipstick because that's the only thing that will fit in those areas. We have so many more lipsticks that are not gonna fit in here, so we'll have to find another area to put the rest of the lipsticks. So that's too low, that's too low. Okay, so so right now, this is filled to capacity and we have 1 drawer left. Okay, this doesn't really work on clear drawers, but you can see the largest drawer in the Target case is half the size or less than our largest drawer.
Just for comparison, we'll put it inside as well.
Yeah, so we are not going to be able to fit our bottles,
our hair products,
and most of our nail polishes in this little drawer. So we'll finish and see what we can fit in the last drawer. So now you can see this is plumb full. And we still have all of these products that do not fit in the $30 Target case. How much do you love this?
Look at it.
I'm flipping excited. I love it.
I have liked these in the past. Like
Yeah.
I liked them, but I do feel like it's just cluttery. Like I like that ours is just one solid piece.
Me too.
We are super proud of our case, and if you want to shop it, we will have bolliebrand.com in our description.
We also have a discount code for you guys. Originally our case is $115. We have a discount code for you guys. You can get it for $90. All the information will be in the description below. We love you guys. Thank you so much for supporting us. Bye.
See ya.
When Ellie and I came out with our clothing line, we designed an acrylic case for storage. Okay, sorry.
Our Bollie case is, and add it to the case that is the same size. So we're gonna see.
Okay.
I'm sorry. I'll start over.
You've been recording all day.
Has room to grow, fill.
Yeah.
No,
I'm like shaking right now. Hold on. Can you even see? Okay, this doesn't really work on clear drawers.
We are super proud of our case, and we...
You're so pretty.
Whatever.
You are, it doesn't even matter.
Am I Abby? That's my goal in life, is to be as
Cute like our niece Abby. There's red beeping, is that okay?
We are super proud of our case, and if you want to shop it, we will have bolliebrand.com in our description to our website. We are super proud of our Bollie case, and we will have it in our description below at bolliebrand.com. Sorry.
Again.
Okay.
Normally, originally our case is